Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix object snap tracking not working with Orthomode using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken alignment paths on your current setup session so your software guides your mouse correctly while you draw straight lines. Step 1. Turn on your core object snapping tools. The first step is to check your lower tool panel and make sure your main magnetic target spots are turned on so the computer can actually see the corners of your shapes. Move your pointer down to the row of toggle icons at the very bottom right corner of your screen. Find the symbol that looks like a small square with a dot on it, or press the F3 key on your keyboard. Watch the icon carefully to make sure its color changes to a bright blue, showing that it is wide awake and active. Because if this primary magnet switch is left turned off, your mouse will ignore every shape on your screen. The tracking tools cannot trace a path from a corner if they cannot find the corner first. You have to turn this feature on so your cursor knows where to look. Step 2. Activate the secondary guide tool that projects the tiny dotted tracking lines across your workspace canvas. Look at that same bottom button row, find the icon that looks like a small right angle corner with a dashed line floating out of it, or press the F11 key on your keyboard. Check that the icon turns from gray to blue, confirming that your crosshairs are now allowed to throw out alignment paths. Because even if your main magnets are on, the software won't project any long alignment lines unless this tracking switch is explicitly turned on. By activating this tool, you tell the program to draw invisible straight tracks across your screen whenever your mouse hovers over a shape's corner. It ensures you can line up objects that are far away from each other. Now, you need to type a quick command to fix a hidden rule that often tells the software to ignore your alignment guides whenever your straight line mode is running. Move your pointer to the empty typing bar at the bottom of your window. Type the word trackpath, hit the Enter key on your keyboard, type the number 0, and press the Enter key one more time. Read the confirmation text at the bottom to verify that the internal value has successfully saved to 0. Because when this hidden setting gets changed by accident, the software blocks your tracking lines whenever you turn on your straight line drawing button. By resetting this value back to 0, you clear out that bad rule completely. It is the key to getting the right output because it forces both features to share the screen peacefully instead of fighting for control. And that's it. To fix object snap tracking not working with Orthomode, you must first press F3 to turn on your object snapping magnets. Then you press F11 to activate your tracking paths so the system draws your guidelines. Next, you use the track path command and set it to 0 to stop the two tools from blocking each other. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.